Hey, VisionAutoworks here with a Lexus GX470 fog light retrofit LED setup here finished. Been doing quite a few of these lately. This one's a little bit different. We use the Diode SSC2 LED pods in white. I believe most of the ones we've posted so far have been in yellow, so this customer went with the white. A little bit different, but still offers that same really good output and significantly better than OEM. The OEM halogen H3 bulbs, they just don't put out any light at all. And these were built on brand new OE style fog light housings. So they'll look brand new, pretty much a direct replica. Fit and finish is great and will fit just the same as OEM, just at a significantly reduced cost. So we're going to light these up here, just give you an idea of what it looks like. These are again outputted in white. We're going to lower the exposure here. It's a little bit blown out just due to how bright these things are. Kind of lower this brightness a little bit. And as you can see, these are lit up in white. You still have that nice kind of greenish chrome on the inside. We can paint the internals as well if you want. That is an option on the website. So far no one has gone for that, other than painting the actual bowl itself. These bowls are actually painted black, and you might have noticed before the lights were cut on, those were painted. What other things about these? Okay, so again, the way we retrofit these fog housings, we do remove the lenses and properly reseal them back with butyl rubber. We don't cut open the back of the housings. That means that we mount the LED pods to the original reflector assembly, so that retains all factory adjustment. So you can lower and raise these. Everyone's vehicle is different, so any type of static type of build where we're like mounting a LED pod, it needs to be adjustable because we don't have your vehicle, and if you ever change your ride height or carrying a bunch of weight, your vehicle weight shifts and the front end's poking up now, you're gonna need to adjust those lights. And again, having the adjustability, it's an OEM feature of course, and that's why adjustability is built into every lighting system on a vehicle. So you will be able to adjust these beams up and down to your desired height and match them up left and right. So if you want to order some LED fog lights for your GX470, you can reach us at VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package for this vehicle and a fog light package for this vehicle specifically. So you can get a whole front end combo, custom headlights and the fog lights to match. And we do offer LED projector retrofits for the headlights as well. So if you want a full LED front end conversion, it's kind of the way to go. If you have any further questions, you can reach us at VisionAutoworks.com. Our contact information is on the website.